Are you tired of spending hours editing photos for your social media profiles? In this video, I will show you a free AI headshot generator that will instantly upgrade your online presence with professional quality images. The website's name is imggen.ai, it has a free image generator, and you can also upscale images for free. If I click More Tools, it will show many amazing free tools. I'm interested in AI headshot generator, so I click on it. Here where I can create unlimited professional headshots for free and without signing up. Like the images you see on the right, you can generate high-quality headshots from one photo. If I click on the outfit drop-down, here is where you can select the clothing for men or women. I choose men and then I will upload a photo I downloaded from Pexels. After uploading a photo, click Generate Headshots. It shows me a window where I can choose how I want the headshots to look like. I can select the hairstyle, I choose short cropped cut. Then, I choose the beard style, there are many choices. I will choose short stubble. Then I choose the clothing style I want, you can choose from business formal, business casual, or casual. I will choose business formal for this example, then I choose suit with tie. You can also select the clothing color from the cloth color and choose what you like, I will choose navy blue. And also you can select the background, for this example I choose office. Then click on Generate. And wait a little bit. These are the headshots generated by Imgen AI. They look realistic and professional. You can download the image you like by clicking Download Image. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.